Hi, my name is Justin Conway, and today I'm going to talk about how to insert an Excel document into a web page using HTML code. So I've opened an Excel document here and created some random data, really, and I'll show you the process of exporting this. That's the first thing that we're going to do. What we want to do is go to File and Save as Web Page. That way our information here is going to be converted into HTML, and then we'll be able to use the information from there. As you can see in this area here, it's using format web page, and it's HTML, which is exactly what we want. We'll save it to our desktop. Workbook 4 is a good title. Click Save. And when we go to our desktop, we'll see here that the HTML document has been created. You can open your HTML document in a web editing software in order to actually extract that HTML, or you could actually use this document and just upload this to your site if you'd like this to be the page itself. So to edit the actual HTML text, I'm going to use Dreamweaver. I'm going to take this file here, and I'll right click and go open with. We're going to use Dreamweaver, and I'll show you that when it opens I'll have access to the source code, and in order to paste that onto an existing web page, you would simply select the code, go to your existing page, paste it in, and then all the information will be accessible from there. So now that this file has opened, you can see that in the code view, this is all of the HTML that was exported from the original Excel document, and you can just simply select it all, copy it, and paste it into your new document. So that is how to export the information from Excel using HTML code and post it onto a web page. My name is Justin Conway. I hope that helped. Thanks.